Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, greetings to all of us. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, kind Trigger. The Honorable Mr. President of Indonesia, Insinyur Haji Joko Widodo, dear Mr. Chief Minister of Health, Mr. Budi Gunadi Sadikin, I respect all attendees who attended the event with the theme Indonesian Free of Stunting. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yunita Permatasari as Coordinator of the Department of Child Nutrition, Minister of Health, the Republic of Indonesia. Previously, we called now that stunting is a nutritional problem that occurs globally, not only by the state of Indonesia, but also throughout the world. The problem of stunting is still a concern of the World Health Organization or WHO. In 2019, undernutrition under 5 was the large contributor to under 5 mortality globally and contributed to 45% of death, one of which was stunting. Globally, in 2019, stunting affects around 21.3% or 144 million children under 5 years. There are 165 million children who are stunted, or about 23% of all children under the age of 5 years, or equal to 1 in 4 children in the world suffer from stunting. Ladies and gentlemen, the incidence of stunting in children is very dangerous if not addressed immediately, because it can hamper child development and have negative impacts, such as intellectual decline or low intelligence levels, hampering economic growth, decreasing productivity, which can lead to poverty, widening inequality in a country, increasing the risk of chronic disease as diabetes, heart disease, cancer, and maternal reproductive disorders in adulthood, and can also increase morbidity and mortality in a country. Ladies and gentlemen, based on the conceptual framework of the World Health Organization on stunting, it has been identified that the factors that cause stunting include the practice of complementary feeding, breastfeeding technique, and the presence of infection disease. There are various risk factors that can cause stunting nutritional problems, one of which is infection. Infection disease are infection disease caused by pathogenic microorganisms such as bacteria, virus, parasite, or fungi. Disease can spread directly or indirectly from one person to another. Infectious disease with stunting can occur simultaneously and also affect each other. Infectious disease associated with stunting are diarrheal infection, tuberculosis infection, respiratory infection, and worm. Therefore, we propose several programs that can be done to minimize the occurrence of stunting in the world, among others. 1. Provide and ensure access to clean water through the community-based provision of clean water and sanitation program. Provide and ensure access to sanitation through policies. Perform food fortification, providing access to health and family planning service. Provide national health insurance. Provide universal maternity guarantee. Provide parenting education to parents. Providing universal early childhood education, providing community nutrition education, providing education on sexual and productive health, as well as nutrition for adult kids. Provide assistance and social security for poor families, improving food and nutrition security. That's all for me. I hope the program that we propose can be implemented soon and have a good impact on the world. And finally, and apologies if make a mistake because I'm just human being. Thank you for your nice attention. the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.